Today, I'm going to show you how to make a classic Korean side dish called 숙주나물무chim. This is blanched Mung Bean Sprouts. It is insanely easy to make and crunchy, juicy, and slightly salty. And guess what? When you are on a diet, this is perfect. 오늘의 레시피, 간단한 숙주나물무침 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. And you feed it to them. Like that. But no one's here. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. And we are using about 9 ounces of Mung Bean Sprouts called 숙주나물. Bring some water to boil, and then we're gonna add a generous pinch of salt, and we're just gonna add our Mung Bean Sprouts. And on high heat, we're gonna quickly blanch this for 2 minutes. And here I have 1 clove of garlic. We're just gonna dunk it in here. And blanching the garlic with the Mung Bean Sprouts will make the garlic taste a little bit milder and remove the taste of the spiciness. And we're gonna quickly pour this in a strainer. And we're just gonna quickly rinse this under running cold water, just until it gets kind of lukewarm. It doesn't have to be icy cold. So this is ready. And instead of hand squeezing this, we're just gonna drain off the excess water like this. And why am I not hand squeezing it? Because I wanna make sure that our Mung Bean Sprouts are nice and plump and remains juices within. And in a large mixing bowl, we're gonna put our 숙주나물 in here. And here is the garlic that we blanched. So we're just gonna quickly chop this up. Okay, this is done. And then we're gonna just pick it up. Okay, and then we're just gonna put it here. And we have 1 tablespoon of minced scallions. And to this, we're just gonna add 1 pinch of salt, a tiny drizzle of sesame oil, about less than half a teaspoon, and some freshly cracked black pepper, less than a 1/4 teaspoon, 1/8 teaspoon actually. To this, we're gonna just add a light sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. And this is my secret ingredient. This is beef Dashida, 소고기 Dashida. I have a pinch and I'm just gonna add it. So this is optional. You do not have to add this, but if you wanna make it taste like extra yummy, highly recommended. And the product link is in the description box below. And that's it. We're just gonna mix this up. Oh, the fragrance on this is amazing. And this is done. So when it comes to making banchan, Korean side dishes, you have to pick some up and then you have to find your family member or your friend and you're supposed to say, and feed it to them because you want them to tell you if it's salty or not salty. You've probably seen this in Korean drama, so I'm not kidding. You're supposed to go, and you feed it to them, like that. But no one's here. So I'm gonna taste it myself. And you know, one of the most important things is saltiness is very, very unique to each person. So taste it and make it the way you like it. Notice how it sounds so crunchy? It's because we didn't hand squeeze the 숙주나물. Many recipes, they tell you to hand squeeze it. Don't do it. And for me, the saltiness is perfect. I don't like it too salty, but just salty enough so that I could just have it alone as a salad, like low-calorie, diet-filling salad. Pretty good. And I want to say, if you want to support my channel, clicking on that like button seriously supports my channel tremendously. So thank you for clicking on like. And transfer this to a plate like that. And this is best enjoyed if you eat it within 2 days. If you eat it the next day, I think it's the tastiest because you'll get all this delicious juice. And that with rice, my friends, is so good. This is how I would eat it, with warm Korean rice and a little bit of Mung Bean Sprouts on top. And all you need is a piece of kimchi. Look at that. That is all you need. Vegetarian friends, yeah, this is for you and for my vegan friends. That is a spoonful It's my go-to easy peasy meal with this Mung Bean Sprouts banchan. Bon appetito! Cheers! It's a big bite. Oh, so good. I mean, what more can you ask for in life? You know, warm Korean rice with kimchi and 숙주나물 together. Simple as that, but I am so happy. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's video, and if you did, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up icon, because that does wonders for my channel. So thank you. And if you did not subscribe yet, make sure to subscribe. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼 눌러주세요. 구독 버튼도 눌러주시고요. 다음 비디오에서 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.